Safe? Is your car safe? If not, start watching this video from now on. Let's get started.
We're going to get a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to join the party, too. No catch, no money, no skills required.
So let's proceed with the first component. The first component for your security camera or CCTV is the DVR. As you can see, it's a black box or whatever color it's gonna be, and it's got some inputs and outputs. We're gonna start from here. This is the video in. As you can see, this DVR got 4 channels, an audio output, a HD output, a VGA output as well, input audio, I'm guessing for 2 mics, 2 USB cable, one for the stick, one for the mouse, an internet cable, a power in adapter which is 12 volts. Let me zoom in. Alright, that's better, yeah? And this one, I'm guessing this could be for one of those spinner cameras that you can spin left and right. So this is your DVR, yeah? Basically the main box that's gonna record all the video footage. Normally, if you're gonna go for the cheaper version and stuff, this stuff is not gonna come with the hard drive inside. So take that one in mind when you purchase the DVR. Alright, so this is the first component. Most likely the DVR is gonna come with a power brick. In this case is a 12 volts 2 amps, but it can vary depending on the manufacturer of the thing. Also can come with a CD to connect it to your computer, laptop and stuff, you know, for the internet connection as well. And because it's got internet connection, it's gonna have the cable itself. And most likely it's gonna come with a mouse, or it's gonna have a port for the mouse. Alright, so this is the DVR, the first component. Let's proceed to the next ones. The next component is your output, your video output. In this case can be a monitor, an old LCD monitor, or a HDMI TV, or something that's gonna have those outputs that I showed you previously. Right, so a monitor is a simple output device that has a plug-in, so you have to plug it to the mains, and it's gonna have a VGA connector like this one that you're gonna plug into your DVR system. So that's all about what a monitor is and stuff. By the way, if you want to check how I did manage to fix this one with just one capacitor for like 20p of repair, check the video on the description and on the card as well. Alright, let's proceed to the next component. The next component is multiple power bricks for the camera and for the DVR as well. Normally there are between 12 and 19 volts, but your system can vary, so check it before you buy the adapters. This is a standard one, 12 volts and 2 amps. You can plug this one to the solar system as well, so maybe it's gonna be a universal stuff or just these cheap ones. Alright, so power bricks, loads or 2 or 3 depending on how many cameras you got. With them they're gonna come, or you have to buy this multi adapter. You see, from one, this is the output of the adapter, plugs in straight away here, if I'm gonna manage to put it in, and you're gonna have like multiple outputs. Normally the camera on the daytime is consuming like between 300 and 400 milliamps, and on the nighttime, because it's got all those LEDs, it's gonna consume a little bit more. So take into account when you're gonna plug these to your thingy, you know, to not oversize them and destroy your adapters. Next one on the line are cables. These cables are called Bnc Cable, are special connector stuff, and they are labeled. Most of the time they are labeled, and you cannot go very wrong with them. As you can see on the label, to camera side only, so this one goes to the camera, and this one, as you can see, to DVR. So this one goes into the DVR and this one goes to your camera. This one comes in various lengths and sizes as well. Here is the power adapter. So as you can see here, we got a brick. Yeah, I'm gonna take one of the things which says camera, we're gonna plug them in. This one we're gonna plug into the camera, and what's left with the audio. Again, audio one is gonna go to the DVR and the other audio to the camera. So it's very easy. You don't have to pay them hundreds of dollars to set up your CCTV cameras. You know, if you're gonna follow all these steps, it's gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, so we got the cables, loads of cables. And last but not least, the camera itself. This one is a standard one, doesn't have no name, is a branded with Sanko, but as you can see, it's like a plain thingy stuff. It's got a night vision, as you can see, multiple LED on the sides, and it's got two connectors as well. Look, this one for the power break, yeah, plugs into the thing, and this one video connection to the DVR. So your system can come with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever cameras you have on hand. We're gonna test multiple camera to see. This one is the first system that we have. We're gonna test it. We're gonna see how it does and all sorts of stuff. All right, let's proceed to the next step. The next step is to assemble the hard drive inside the DVR. So as you can see here, it's got just 2 screws and some on the left and right, and we're gonna find a Phillips screwdriver and we're gonna open it out. We got signal on stage, a camera. We're gonna make it bigger. Here you go. So the system is working, friends. Here you go. This is the camera, this is me, the bastard thingy. Here you go. You see me? Now you see me, now you don't. Now you see me, now you don't. Thanks all for watching, folks. In the meanwhile, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one. We're gonna have a CCTV camera soon. See ya!